Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis, showing you the second Kenworth T800 glider kit day cab today. I just got done with one sister truck to this one. This one's got a few more miles on it at 356. It is a factory built glider kit, 2017 model, extended cab, 3406E, 550 cat, 10 speed. It is equipped with full lockers, 46,000 rears, dual stacks, breathers. Pretty nicely equipped truck. Again, I've gotten it hot, so I'm going to do a full walk around, showing you oil pressure, blow by, giving you the full scoop here. Let me get started for you. Very responsive. It's up over 60 on the high side, 30, 35 on the low side. Just moderate low by on it. Really good for 350 on the work truck like that. One track right there as far as body work. Everything else is really straight. Got a package of 3 of these, 2 white and 1 red. They all came in with headache racks, wet kits, lockers, 46s, Southern trucks. There you have it, guys. If you like this one or any other ones, let me know. You can give me a shout anytime, 901-896-4526. Thank you.